Place cling film on your window frame, a must-try hack for winter. This trick gives cling film a whole new purpose in your home. While it's typically used for food storage, it can serve another function. Take a roll of cling film and spread it across the bottom frame of your window. Make sure it's evenly stretched, but not too tight to avoid tearing. Then, close the window as usual. This simple setup has multiple benefits. It creates an extra insulating layer, reducing heat loss from your home. Windows are one of the main areas where heat escapes during winter, and cling film minimizes cold air drafts. It also helps prevent unsightly condensation and moisture that could lead to mold growth. The difference is noticeable almost immediately after installing it. It's a practical way to repurpose something you already have at home.